In this video, I want to talk about how you can get a Trading 212 promo code. Now, there are two simple ways to do this. Now, you can use your mobile app or you can use the website. And the first one is simply just Google a promo code. So, most of the time, if you just Google it, they will come up with some promo codes from big websites, usually trading websites or finance websites. And from in there, they will have their own referral codes, which is promo codes. Now, the second one is you can use your friend's referral link, but keep in mind, it's only when their invite a friend campaign is active that you can actually do this. But most of the time, if you go to your settings here, if there is an invite a friend or share something, it means their campaign is active and you can see a URL. And if your friend uses that one or you use theirs, then you will use the promo code. Now, those are the two main ways to do this. You can simply just find a promo code online from one of the big companies that use it, the big websites. They will usually have their permanent referral code that you can just use, or you can get it from your friend. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.